WhatsApp recently introduced some exciting features and updates. So, let me show you the newest tips and tricks on WhatsApp. WhatsApp Channels is the most popular feature WhatsApp has added recently. Our video tutorial on how to create a WhatsApp Channels has got many positive responses from our viewers. The link to that video is on the description. If you have sent a message with a spelling error, now you can edit the message before someone sees it. Long press on the sent message and click this edit option. But remember that the receiver can see that the message is edited. Another new feature in WhatsApp is Chat Lock feature. Open the information section of a chat and scroll down until you see Chat Lock feature. Click it and enter passcode of your mobile phone. As you can see, your chat is locked. Go back and drag down your screen, then this locked chat section will appear. Another cool feature is that now you can add polls to your chats. Click this plus icon and select polls option. This feature helps you to get the opinions from your friends and family. Did you know that there is an AI sticker option in WhatsApp? Go to your WhatsApp sticker section and click Create, then type anything you want as a sticker. Unlock the app with your fingerprint on supported Android phones. To enable it, tap Settings, then Account, next click Privacy and select Fingerprint Lock. Turn on Unlock with Fingerprint and confirm your fingerprint. WhatsApp is getting better continuously, so let's hope there will be more and more cool features. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next video.